Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to record a local and an interstate sales transaction in Max ERP. To do this, we have to ensure that we have defined the correct state for our books as well as for the customers. So we have the proper state defined for our book in the company master, and same way for customers we have to ensure that the state is defined correctly in the customer master. So it's defined here. We'll go to sales and see how a transaction works. In Max ERP, we will have freedom of recording both VAT and GST transactions as per the GST cutoff date defined in the GST setup. So in this demo book, we have defined the GST date to be 1/7/2017. So any transaction before 1/7/2017 will have the VAT applied, and any transaction on or after 1/7 will have the GST applied. So we'll just scroll across a demo invoice. So this is an outstation invoice recorded as on 5th July, and you can see the IGST being applied here. We can even see the print preview for the same and see the splits of the taxes. So in the invoices we can find that individual product wise different taxes are being applied, and the summary of the all taxes are being displayed here. Turnover and the tax amount. Same way we can even see a local transaction where a local sales bill for Sarna stores has both the columns of SGST as well as CGST being displayed on the screen, and the preview will have the summary of the same. Product wise it will just show you the taxes that are being applied. You can even check the GST numbers for the company as well as for the customer. At the bottom you'll have different taxes which are being applied, the turnover across each tax, and the splits between SGST and CGST. We can even see the summary of all this transaction in the sales register, where we can just define the date range, and it will show you bill wise split among SGST, CGST and IGST. You can even see the tax summary by clicking this other summaries, where individual GST tax percentage wise it will show you the splits of turnover, tax, and the tax split among CGST, SGST and IGST. There's other report to view the same. So we have a columnar tax wise report which will even give you the detailed splits for bill wise different taxes, turnover and the tax amounts splitted among IGST, CGST and IGST. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Stay tuned for next set of videos to come. Thank you.